Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a brand new video of Cash App. In this following video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change debit card or debit card information on your Cash App account. So then make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account. After you're logged into your account, tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've selected your debit card on the other interface, you'll have to tap on the three-dot icon located right on top, just next to your bank account or your debit card. As soon as you tap on the three-dot icon, right at the bottom there's a drop-down menu. So you have two different options, that is remove debit card or replace debit card. So once you're on this page, you have to do it accordingly. So you either want to remove your debit card or replace your debit card. So after you tap on either one of these options on the other interface, you have to enter a new debit card information. So first of all, you're asked to enter your debit card numbers. So make sure to enter the correct one, and once you're done, tap on add card, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on add card on the other interface, your card will be added or the card information will be replaced. So that is how you can change debit card or debit card information on Cash App. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.